So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, I will guide you with how you can install Windows 11 24H2 update right now. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe our channel and help us reach 1000 subs soon. So first of all, click on this search option on the taskbar. Now search for settings and press enter to open it. After this, click on Windows Update on the left pane. Now enable this toggle. After this, click on Windows Insider Program. Now click on Get Started. Then click on Link an account. Select your Microsoft account and then click on Continue. After this, select Release Preview and then click on Continue again. Click on Continue and then click on Restart. Now this will restart your computer. Now, after your PC restarts, follow these steps. First, click on the search bar and then search for settings. Press enter to open it. Now, on the left side, click on Windows Update. You will now see Windows 11 24H2 update here. Click on Download and install. Now, this will start downloading the update. It may take some time depending on the speed of your internet. So wait for the process to complete. Once the process is complete, click on Restart Now. This will install Windows 11 24H2 update on your system. To check it, click on this search button and then search for About Your PC. Press enter to open it. As you can see here, it says Windows 11 Home version 24H2. That's it for this video. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.